Okay, today is March 31st. On the day by day, we have a layers quiz. I want to point out on the layers quiz that you get to take it 2 times. After those 2 times, don't contact me and say, can I take it again? We're doing no retakes. You just get to do it twice. And that will need to be taken twice before our atmospheric test. And our atmospheric test is on the 7th. So if you want to look ahead, the next thing is the convection gizmo. If we take a look at the convection gizmo doc, it is a relatively longer one. And I want to point out that on the day by day, I am giving you time tomorrow. Finishing it for tomorrow is going to be the objective. And there's a short video, 2 minutes if I remember. But if we take a look at the convection video, there are going to be some points on it here where it says sketch with arrows. I want you to understand that I'm not expecting you to sketch with arrows. You can print it. But I want you to understand that when you move the heat sources where they are, that will then allow the water to move. But I'm not expecting you to attempt to sketch in these pictures, whether it is for your test or for your hypothesis. As we go, if you take a look at part C, this is going to be the mantle, which we've already talked about, ocean currents, which I wish we had more time to talk about, but we're not going to be able to get to ocean currents, and then winds. And we will be talking about winds maybe the end of this week. So it's going to do a good job of showing you the winds. It is a long one, but once again, I want you to make sure that you understand that we have today and tomorrow to work on it. Okay, so when working with this gizmo, there's a bunch of things that I feel are a little complicated. So as soon as you hit play, you're locked in on not being able to change the temperature. You can change the temperature, you're locked into changing the amount of heat coming out of the burner. You can change between the motion, seeing the motion going, and the temperature, but you're locked in and you're not able to click anything else. You have to reset here in order to change something. And then you can click play. So the key is as you stop it, in order to change much of anything, you have to hit the restart. So let's say you played and you decided to put a couple drops of ink in, and you're like, okay, I want to do, you can show vectors, but you can't add a second one. So you stop it, you still can't change anything until you hit that reset. Once you hit that reset, then you can change your burners, whether you want 2 burners or 1 burner. You can take the second burner away. You can change the height. Maybe you have 2 of them on medium and both burners are on, and you click start, and you put some ink in, and you don't get to change anything. You stop it, but you don't get to change anything until you hit that restart. Okay. This is going to help you with the temperature. We'll turn that off and we'll do that. And you can see the temperature and the density and the speed of the molecules. But the key is that you are going to have to remember to do is to hit that restart or rewind button. I've messed up on that a lot and gotten frustrated, so I want to make sure that you understand that. So once again, on the day by day, you're starting today, finishing tomorrow. You finishing convection is going to be Wednesday's participation points. I hope you have a good day. Let me know if you need anything.